Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Binance Smart Chain Network to MetaMask. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you're using the right or official MetaMask website. And now that you're here, you will just have to click this button right here, which is the drop-down menu, and then you will click Custom, and then you will click Add Custom Network. And for the network name, you will uh, enter this exact right here, which is Binance Smart Chain. And for the default RPC URL, you will just have to copy this and then paste it here and then click add URL. And for the chain ID, you will just have to copy this as well and paste it here. And by the way, sometimes it could show up like this, and if they suggested a name for this, then you will just have to click the suggested name for that, but it's still the same. And for the currency symbol, it's BNB. For the Black Explorer URL, you will just have to copy this as well and then paste it here. So add a Black Explorer URL and then click add URL. And once that's all set up, you will just have to okay. If so copy this again if you encounter that kind of error. So then you will just have to click add URL again. And by the way, if you encounter that kind of issue, you will just have to click basically the what it's prompted here, so that you will be able to successfully add this network. And now that that's all set up, you will just have to click save. And now what you will have to do is you will just have to switch to BSC, ready for BNB and BEP20 tokens. And yes, you can see there's our BNB chain, or Binance Smart Chain. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.